Now let's start having a look at using our logarithm laws. The one we've done before, where where it's the definition of logarithm. We've got four others we want to use. Now, if we remember our index laws, these have got relationships to their index laws there. So addition, multiplication. When we said the power, when we got same bases and the powers would add. Division, same base, power subtract, and then a to the power of m all the power of n. They multiply the powers. We're going along the same lines here. We've got log of x times y with the base a. It's the same as adding the logarithms there. So log of x plus log of y in the same base would equal log of the multiplication of the two numbers there. If we're dividing here, we can do a subtraction. And if we've got x to the power of r, we can bring that power down, and that would be exactly the same as r times log of x. So we're going to use these three in problems. This one's probably going to be used more than the others, but the others do have their places. Starts to make life very easy if we remember these laws when we start to differentiate some of our logarithms. The other one that we've seen and we'll revisit is our change of base rule. So log of x in say, we can change it to log of whatever base we like, but remember we usually take e or 10 because that's what we're going to use in the calculator, and it'll be log of x over log of a. So let's have a look at this one. This is back to the definition of a logarithm. All these questions are just relying on you using the definition of a logarithm. You can stop the video now to check them, but really what we're doing is just applying the definition of a logarithm to do these questions here. With question 2 here, again, we're using the definition of a logarithm. So, for example, if we've got log of x in base 2, x can be written as 2 to the power of 2, and that's just by our definition. So log would be x would be equal to 4. Log of x base 3 of 4, x would be equal to 3 to the power of 4. And all those questions are doing the same thing. The question 3 is a little bit different because it's the base. Power of x, power of 2 would equal 100, so the base would have to be equal to 10. Remember, you couldn't take the positive and negative square root, positive and negative of 10 there. Can't have a negative base. So check that. You can write down the rest of them, but that's the rule we're using with all those.